Chapter 10. Scratch Introduction to Broadcast Messages. Introduction. You already learned about Scratch, a visual-based block-based coding platform that provides a fun way to learn coding. In the previous chapter, you explored different types of blocks and created simple programs using them. In this chapter, you will learn about broadcast messages, which allow different sprites to communicate with each other and empower you to create more interactive and dynamic programs. Project The Wizard and the Fairy. In this project, we will be creating a short story using the broadcast blocks of the event category blocks and the various other blocks from the motion and looks categories. By using broadcast messages, you can create conversation between different sprites and make your story come to life. Choosing a background. 1. Click on the stage area and select the Backdrops tab. 2. Click the Choose a Backdrop button and add a jungle backdrop as shown below. Choosing a sprite. 3. Click on the Choose a Sprite button in the Sprite area and add to Sprites, Wizard and Fairy to the stage. 4. Now, flip the face of the sprite using the Flip Horizontal option. 5. Afterwards, set its size to 40% and position the x-coordinate to 98 and the y-coordinate to -25 on the stage. Adding the script for Wizard Sprite. 6. Select When flag clicked from the Event Blocks category and drag it to the stage. 7. Select the Sound tab and select the Dance Magic sound. 8. Select Switch Costume to block from the Looks category and select Wizard A in its placeholder. 9. Then, drag Say for 2 seconds, snap it below Switch Costume to block and add the text Who is there in its placeholder. 10. Afterwards, add a broadcast block from the event blocks. Snap it below the Say block and click on the new message from the drop-down list. A box will appear. Enter the name in the text box and click OK. Explanation. This script sets up the Wizard sprite to change its appearance, say, Who is there, play a sound, and send a message to other sprites, all when you click the green flag. Adding script for Fairy Sprite. 11. Select When flag clicked from the Event Blocks category and drag it to the stage. 12. Select Switch Costume to block from the Looks category and select Fairy in its placeholder. 13. Then, drag Set Size to from the Looks blocks and set its value to 40. 14. Afterwards, drag Go to X, Y from the motion blocks and set the values 98 and -25 to the respective placeholders of X and Y. Explanation. This script changes the Fairy sprite's appearance, adjusts its size, and moves it to a specific position when the green flag is clicked to start the program. Triggering the reaction. Drag the When I Receive Message 1 block from the Events category into the Scripts area and select the message from the drop-down list. Make sure the message name matches the one broadcasted by the main sprite. Example, calling, 16. Drag Set Size to from the Looks blocks and set its value to 117. Afterwards, drag Go to X, Y from the motion blocks and set the values 89 and -39 to the respective placeholders of X and Y. 18. Select Switch Costume to block from the Looks category and select Fairy B in its placeholder. 19. Then, drag Say for 2 seconds and add the text, It's me, a fairy in the placeholder of the say block. Explanation: this sequence of steps ensures that when the sprite receives the broadcast message, it changes its size, moves to a specific position, changes its appearance, and says, "It's me," a fairy, all in response to the main sprite's broadcast. Now, click on the green flag to run the script and check the result.